I've got a super cozy video in store for you today. Here are 5 places around your house you can get organized on a super tiny budget. Today I am in Aldi, and oh my goodness, I'm gonna put a link below so you can find an Aldi near you. If your fridge always gets disorganized, I saw something like this on TikTok, and y'all, it was expensive. Here at Aldi, you can get these incredible beverage dispensers. These are less than $5. Organizing it for football season. Let me know which team you're rooting for in the comments below.
The way I see it, go organization. That's what this entire video is about. Here's a secret, I'm just laying it out for you. In almost every instance, Aldi is cheaper than Walmart and Dollar Tree, and it sells so many of the same products. Over 90% of what's found in store mimics high-end brands at a fraction of the price. Plus, they have a center aisle with tons of items that go on sale for your home, and that's what I mostly want to feature today.
I can't wait to show you how I put this in a drawer.
You can get amazing discounts on things to organize and make your house better. Making your own cleaning products saves a lot, but putting them in bottles that will make it last cost a lot, which is why I love Aldi. They have these glass spray bottles for $3.99. They sell essential oils there too. I use a 50-50 blend of rubbing alcohol and water and about 20 drops of essential oil. This is the greatest granite countertop cleaner. I curated this video, so it's all the best stuff.
There are tons of items that remind me of Crate and Barrel right in Aldi. These wood bowls, this is so beautiful, but I think my favorite find
mimics Williams-Sonoma. They have these wood and marble lines that just came out that are so expensive. Aldi sells the same thing for under $10.
These are so beautiful and so affordable.
It's cheaper than the thrift store even, and I've got to talk about food, especially the amazing treats.
We have these dark chocolate caramel cold brews. Oh my goodness. This is one I haven't tried, but I feel like I need to. And Oreo dupe is so good. Like, these are delicious. I love this. I love this. They have these cooking mug toppers. You can spend under $10 for just a beautiful little spot of your kitchen that you get to wake up to in the morning and love. Linen storage box? This is beautiful. This is a great way to stay organized.
Put remote controls in here or just the good chocolate. You know what I mean. And I just took some items that I already had at home, some of which I thrifted. And what I love about Aldi is all of these snacks are under $3. Under $3 for the pack. Grab a tray, some pretty thrifted things, and put out all the fun stuff. This is such a great way to stay organized and really enjoy this fall. I love that this doubles as fall decor too. Shop your house, find those fun things that you haven't used in a while. Just setting them out like this, y'all, we have really been enjoying it this season.
I am so excited to see this here. This is a fantastic deal. This is a bread machine for $49.99. The cheapest I have seen this on Amazon, Walmart, is about $70 or $80.
I'll share with you some of my favorite hacks, but if you like baking and cooking hacks, you'll love today's sponsor.
I'm so excited that today's video is brought to you by Craftsy, your online resource for all things creative. They have thousands of classes, crochet, sewing, knitting, baking, and DIY ideas that anybody can try, all taught by friendly experts. This community is so cool, and what's more, you can get it for an amazing deal. I recently took a DIY marble pumpkin class. They have so many amazing ideas for fall ready decor. And I even learned how to make a pumpkin spice latte at home, no special tools required. What I love about Craftsy is how in-depth it goes, and they're always adding new classes to keep you coming back. And as a member of Craftsy, you have access to the live streaming tutorials, so you can ask questions, communicate with other members, and continue staying inspired. And what I love even more is this is so incredibly affordable. If you're one of the first 1,000 people to click my link below, you'll get an entire year of Craftsy premium membership for just $1.49. You can't beat that. Affordable, simple ideas that you can create with your own 2 hands, that definitely keeps me feeling inspired. This is such a great product. I have been looking for something like this forever. This is a over-the-door drying rack. If you've got a small space, this is awesome. And I want to share with you my favorite Aldi find right now. I could not believe this was here.
These no dust zipper fabric storage cubes. These are on sale right now. They're about $6 each, so scoop them up.
These totes are some of my favorite for organizing. You can open in the front just like this, be able to take things out, and you can even open from the top. The zippers are really good on this. I put blankets in here, out of season items. This helps it stack in a closet so they stay really, really organized. I also love keeping my decor in bins like this because I can see them. It's really great for Christmas decor. It's great for wreaths. It's great for your pumpkins. And again, these stack and these are really, really well stabilized on the outside, so they're not gonna squish down on you. This is one of my favorite products. This is such a great deal.
I also found for just $14.99 this over-the-door drying rack. We have a small, awkward laundry room in an awkward spot. This saves so much room and is perfect for drying our clothes. I think this would be great in a camper or any small space. What do you think?
The fall section at Aldi is always killing it. Their candles, I want to know your favorite candle scent because they are only $4.49. This year, a lot of them smell like Moscow mules to me. My favorite right now is gardenia. But I want to know if you like the candles because this is a lot of candle for such a great price. And the entire jar is very reminiscent to me of Bath & Body Works, which is really cool. This is a new product this year too. They have this nice and big one. That's a lot of wicks. Is that too many wicks for you? What's your wick maximum? Yeah, there's too many wicks. Kathy's like, too many wicks. I kind of like this. There's a kind of a cool hack that you can do with this too.
6 wick candles are expensive. They're even expensive on Amazon. And if you get the Aldi one, I have to show you this hack using pressed flowers. I'll be sure to link these down below. Now, if you have a heat gun, that's the best way to do this, but I actually loaned my heat gun out, so I decided to just use my hairdryer. I worked in little sections and I just melted the top layer of wax, and then I pressed on some of these flowers. I worked my way all the way around the container, covering up flowers as I went. That just made sure that they wouldn't blow away or re-melt the wax. I love how this looks in the kitchen. It's so elegant, and I think this would make a great gift idea.
Eyes on the prize at Aldi is always their cinnamon brooms. This is cheaper than every grocery store I've been in. They're only $3.99 and these smell amazing. Honestly, this entire aisle, it smells like they're piping cinnamon into it.
Also, under $10 are these mail organizers. I fell in love with these. They look so great next to the front door to hang your keys. And this is where I also hang my cinnamon broom. The house smells so good when you walk in. And you can use this little envelope practically in your kitchen by your front door, or you could even put flowers inside. I think it's really cool and totally unique for fall.
Another hero product from Aldi are their blankets. These are so awesome. This actually fits a full and queen bed. And what I like to do is layer blankets, especially for the season. This is such a great price.
The wood products at Aldi are awesome, as are all of their baking dishes, their Crofton brand, which has really high ratings, and their Huntington Home line is great. I highly recommend their command strips, all of their home organization, and even their cleaning products are great dupes.
This is really pretty, and it's $29.99. This is a pretty good deal. I think I could thrift something cheaper, but this is a good deal for a very modern looking lamp. This is a roll-up cookie rack. So cool. This like rattan wicker. This is $14.99. Do you think this is worth it? I don't know. I feel like I would just spill something and like it wouldn't. It's pretty though. Look at the green. I mean, oh, they're really selling it with this like look at that picture. It looks really cool. But honestly, I would spill all over myself like continually. I don't think this is meant for me. Oh my gosh. They have this really pretty oil lamp. Wow, I love this. It's like a ceramic outside. This is really nice.
And you really can have an outdoor fire pit for under $10. All you need is rubbing alcohol and one of these stone canisters. Aldi sells these, Lidl sells these. It just gives so much warmth and elegance and actually kicks off a fair amount of heat. And all you need is rubbing alcohol and a lighter, just basic isopropyl. And then I'm just gonna put the lid on top. These are easy to put out too.
This is a fantastic deal for a cast iron skillet. These are incredible. This is only $9.99. Great score.
The bread maker and the cast iron skillet are insanely good deals, especially compared to Amazon. And a quick little hack for you is you can actually make pizza dough in the bread maker. There is a setting for it. And you can cook your pizza in a cast iron skillet. Have you ever tried this? Basically, you just want to cut the dough in half, whatever comes out of the bread maker. And then I just push this to the edges and I added a good coat of olive oil to the bottom. And then top with your normal pizza items. The biggest thing is you want to use extra sauce when you cook it this way. I put my oven at 500 degrees and I cook it for about 10 to 12 minutes. I love to put basil and pepperoni on top of my pizza. This is such an easy dinner idea, and the dough cooks up really fast. It's ready in just 45 minutes. What do you think? Your house always smells so amazing when you use a bread maker. I also love the pumpkin bread recipe that this one came with. And I go ahead and I make my own butter using cinnamon, sugar, honey, butter, and powdered sugar. That's the key. I'll link the recipe down below. And then I just put this in my refrigerator and I can set it in a little butter dish. This actually keeps on the counter for a couple of days. And I just put it right with my fall tray. Y'all, this pumpkin bread is divine. If I'm sharing it, it's because I really love it. I want to bring you all those things that I use all the time that are actually making a difference. What are your favorites?
Be sure to check out Craftsy and be one of the first 1,000 people to click my link below and receive a year premium membership for just $1.49. I love that all of these ideas you can find at home, find super affordably, whether you come to Aldi or want to thrift them. My beautiful friend, if nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll catch you soon. Oh yeah, this is good. This is good walking footage. Camera person always gets a little hug.